Hello, hi. So the other day, me and the kids went to the Big Bad Wolf sale located at MIECC at the Mines International Exhibition and Convention Center. Jom, let's go. Jom. Yeah. Okay, this is the main entrance. There is one main entrance and also main exit on the other side of the hall. When you come in, you can see many trolley on your right hand side.
Pirate stories. Do you like pirates? RM6 je.
Actually, that wasn't RM6, that was G.
Baik gila apa?
Gila apa kat mana?
Tu.
Jom.
Yang ayah pergi kat AM Photography tu.
Ha?
Dekat AM Photography.
Oh. Mana? Tu. Art and photography tak nampak.
I tell you, the place was huge. So get ready with a meal in your tummy. Eat before you come here, okay?
Banyak buku kat kanak macam. So many books. Books and books and books and books. Nice. Dah ambil dah satu-satu.
I wanted to buy Mikael one of these shark books, but he didn't want any. I thought this Alex Rider book series sounds familiar, but I'm not sure.
Ibu risau kan hilang tadi.
Miau.
Miau. Joel City. Ya. Mana ada? Sini ni kan.
My husband asked, why is there no more Star X or It Is book? I said because nobody made them yet. There are books for everyone and anyone who likes books. You name it, they might have it.
Cik belakang cik depan je. Cik jalan sana. Sana jalan. Satu menjap. Pricing dia macam ni. Contohlah. Buku ni dia tulis H. So H ni kita tengok dekat dia punya universal price tag dia. Harga dia H. Harga dia H tu maknanya buku ni harga H. Harga dia RM10.99. Price tag kat sini boleh tengok. Jom, let's go.
Okay, before I went back, I looked up for the Malay section and it's actually near the main entrance. So I turned around and I saw my two boys playing at the bookshelves at the back. Ayo, boys!
Perang angkasa. RM10 je. Nazri
I haven't read any Malay books in ages. I guess it's time.
Kita tengok. Kita ikut jalanan. Plastik lain-lain ni. Dari Pak Musa. Ikan isu tu kepak tu. Ni close up ni ha. Ha. Tak close up situ mana satu tu. Kayak tadi dia kata nak pergi Godzilla ni. Godzilla ni. Tu tengok. Kata behind seat. Menarik ni. Okey, mana tadi kau tunjuk ibu? Godzilla panjang tadi ni. Ni. Ha ni ha. Right. Wow. Kita boleh dari sini jap. Wow. Ada lipat balik. Dia acah jap. Yang baru. Jom, let's go.
Oh, look, it's Kat Von D. I knew her from television. She's the tattoo artist. I like looking at pretty pictures of illustrations. I'm still trying to find that one book from this sale. I can only buy one for myself.
Ya Allah. Aku beli novel RM5 je. Tadi dia open kasut di Nazri M. Anwar. Then I also book Adventures Letterpress. Acah. Buku acah. Pirate Stories.
Yes, pirate story.
Dah pegang. Gael. Ni Kak punya Godzilla. Dah jom. Let's go home.
And so I picked up 4 books and it's time to pay before we head home.
Let's go home.
Since it's a big Bad Wolf sale, of course there's going to be a Red Riding Hood. I told Mikael to say goodbye to the girl wearing the red hood. Bye bye.
Meow.
And then we head home. But there were also a lot of other stuff sold at the exit, like these
Okay, ni, ni.
magnets.
Okay, show ibu.
Apa ni?
Aha.
Pang spirit tua tapi kurang pang.
Ni tahu apa?
Tak boleh. Red Bull.
Chicago.
Saya buku situ.
Hah? Mana?
Asked my son to practice shoot some stuff here. So I asked my son to shoot some video of the things we saw at the main exit.
Mau ngam-ngam friend. Lepas tu gerak ke kiri ke kanan. Slow sini. Kiri sekali kejap sampai situ. Kira masuk frame macam kira 1, 2, 3 sampai gerak. Lepas tu yang last kali ni yang 1, 2, 3 dah. Kan pilih satu set.
Tahu.
Pilih satu.
Tahu.
Okay, suka ke sains? Mana boleh tahu? Ui, ni untuk aku tu. RM100. Nanti nak extend beli.